I have chosen is the Dyson supersonic hair dryer.
It is designed by the company Dyson and represents one of the most iconic examples of modern industrial design. The Dyson Supersonic stands out from traditional hair dryers due to its innovative combination of technology and aesthetics. During the design process, both engineering and user experience were prioritized. One of its most distinctive features is the placement of the motor inside the handle, which improvised balance and enhances ergonomic use. The product is associated with James Dyson and his engineering team. It's a global design product, widely used around the world, and has received multiple design awards thanks to its innovation and unique form. From a design history perspective, Supersonic demonstrates how advanced technology integrated into everyday objects. In the 21st century, user-centered design and minimal aesthetics have become increasingly important, and his product is a strong representation of that trend. Product is heavily influenced by technology advancements. Economically, it belongs to the premium market segment. Socially, it allies with the growing interest in personal care and beauty. Additionally, it reflects concerns about energy efficiency and sustainability. The reason I choose these products because successfully combines aesthetic with functionally. However, one potential challenge is the complexity of its technological features, which may be difficult to explain clearly within a limited time.